how to get Instagram API key. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get an Instagram API key by generating an access token. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, head to the Facebook for Developers website and log in with your Facebook account. Then click on Create App and choose the option to skip connecting a business portfolio. After that, select Other under the tasks and then choose Consumer as the app type. Name your app, provide a contact email, and fill in any additional details. Then click Create App and enter your password. Once the app is created, go to Instagram Basic Display and click on Setup. Then create a new app display name. Scroll down to User Token Generator and add yourself as an Instagram tester. Then log into Instagram, go to your profile settings, find the tester invites, and accept the invitation. Go back to Facebook Developers, return to the Instagram Basic Display section, and generate your access token. So that's basically how you can get an Instagram API key. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.